floor. We're trying to figure out who did it. Did you do it? Was that you? Did you do that? Did you? Oh, I bet you did. I bet you did. Did you do that? Did you? Or did Stanley do it? Stanley, did you do it? How did that get there? Which one of you guys did that? Cheeky. Was it? Oh, Cheeky. Cheeky, Cheeky. Did you do that? That blanket doesn't belong there. Oh, it doesn't belong there. No, it doesn't. Stanley, is that your blanket? Is that your blanket? Who's going to pick it up? Are you? I don't think so. I don't think so. I guess I'm going to have to, aren't I? Am I going to have to pick it up? Am I? Alright, well, I guess I will. What should I do with it? Where should I put it? Who does it belong to? Whose is that? Whose is it? Is it yours? Or yours? Is it yours? Is it? Oh, I bet it is. Stanley wouldn't do that, would you, Stan? Stanley wouldn't do it. No way. Alright, I guess I'll put the blanket away then.